Hello, hi, thanks for watching one of the videos for Alliance Energy Source. This is comparing two kind of coils, the new ones that they got to market. This is the old type of coil, but look at the blades are as clean as perfect. I mean, but anyway, it was not working. And this is the Lennox C3325B, but look at it. This is all copper, and but new ones completely aluminum, but the same kind of blades that you can see here again, and but the aluminum tubing all over, and I guess is probably much more economical for a manufacturer to build it that way. And they are almost both 2-ton coils. This is 2-ton coil AC.